Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing a very simple recipe. 4 ingredients Japanese cake. So guys, come along with me and let's do this. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Let's do this delicious cake. To start, I have my egg yolks, okay? So I've separated the eggs, and this is the egg yolks. I'm adding some vanilla yogurt, all right? Yes, guys, vanilla yogurt. And then you mix it to a smooth consistency, as you can see. And I'm going to add some flour. Add the flour in base so that it will mix really nicely, okay? Yeah, so that's it. So after mixing the flour into it, and the consistency is great and smooth, you put it aside, okay? So as you can see here, yes, it's all done. So I set it aside, and then I'm going to whisk the egg whites, okay? So when you're mixing the egg whites, you add the sugar to it. So as you can see, I'm adding the sugar bit by bit so that it will be really fluffy and lovely. Yes, look at that, it's all done. So guys, you add the egg yolk mixture onto my egg white mixture, okay? So make sure you fold it in nicely so that it doesn't really the fluffiness of the egg white doesn't really go down. So it's already mixed nicely, and then you put it into your already greased cake tin with my baking sheets around it. The baking sheet help you to take it out, okay, when it's all cooked. So that's all done. I add just some hot water to it for the steam to cook it nicely, all right? And into the oven it goes at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes. So it's all done, okay? Make sure it cools down a bit. When it cools down a lot, it just goes down, okay? Might cool down a lot because I was doing something else, so it came down a little bit. But yeah, it tastes absolutely delicious. As you can see, it is called a wobbly cake, okay? It wobbles, all right? Yeah, so that's all done. Let's put some sugar on top of it, all right? Just to make it nice and taste good. So try this recipe, guys. You are going to love it. So guys, if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, okay? And do subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you.